Welcome everybody, Shayyan Ali from Young Innovators Australia. This time around I'm traveling for a bit, that's why you don't see me in my normal uniform. And what's happening here is that I'm still online with Anas right now, and we have been covering more on Arduino and robotics. We spoke a little bit more about coding style, proper ways to write code. On top of that, we also spoke about a very interesting point, which is going from digital writing, which is like zeros and ones, to like analog voltages and values in electronics and how we actually use these. So instead of explaining everything that we've learned, we'll actually ask ourselves what he remembers learning and anything useful from what we've learned. So, Anas.
Today we learned about analog right and analog signals. Signals instead of digital, which it gives us multiple numbers, not two set values. So, for example, on the LED, we can also do the middle value, the low value, and the high values. There are we also learned about pulse width modulation, which is PWM, and it shows how much milliseconds the LED stays on and how much milliseconds the LED stays off. So, however, it blinks so fast that it looks like it's becoming dimmer or brighter. We can also use an oscilloscope, which gives us a picture of the voltage running, and the capacitor smooths it out and might, for example, using a lower or a middle voltage, might make the line appear wiggly.
Yes. So as Anas was saying as well, pretty much when we were going through analog signals, we saw that for a certain amount of time it was very high, for a certain amount of time it was very low, and you might have a component that might not be able to handle, let's say, 5 volts. And so with something like a capacitor, as he was mentioning, it actually, the difference between like the on and off period, the capacitor allows you to just smooth that out and make it one squiggly little voltage that you can actually use in your components. So that's what we've covered today. A lot of theory, and hopefully in person we'll actually see this practically ourselves. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone for tuning in. Thank you everybody for spending time sticking around. If you have any questions, if you want to learn more about these sessions, how you can join, any ways you can contribute, just comment, ask questions, and then our team will reach out to you. Thank you.